Hello again, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Random Vlogs, and for today's video we are going to unbox this really cheap Bluetooth earbuds. So what do we have here? It's an MD538 wireless headset 5.3, which we bought just the other day from Lazada. Yeah, it only took a day before they got it delivered here, and we purchased it for the price of 285.80 pesos, or roughly the equivalent of $4.87. This is obviously a very cheap earbuds. This isn't the typical earbuds that you can buy for the price of 750 pesos. Just like the Soundcore Bluetooth headset that we purchased recently. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this out of the box, see what's inside of it, what it contains, if it has any other accessories, and let's judge its sound quality, of course. Before we proceed with the unboxing, I am going to include the link from the Lazada page where we purchased this headset. Okay, so as of this time, it has about 5,098 ratings, averaging at 4.9, which is pretty high. Most reviews of it are generally positive, and it kind of surprises me because, you know, for a Bluetooth speaker this cheap, well, you would expect otherwise. Let's proceed with the unwrapping and unboxing. Oh, let's just tear it like so. There you go, and it's wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, so let's just use our hands to tear right through, and here we go. Here it is. It's pretty, it's wrapped pretty nice in plastic. And let's just use our fingernails to cut through the plastic. Okay, and there you go. Yeah, the box is easy to crumple. You know, this could get, you know, crumpled easily. It's not really that box that you would expect. It's not made out of material that you would get from a JBL speaker. But anyways, let's pull it out. Okay. All right. Let's let the lid here, and here it is. Okay. So here's the charger, and here's the. Here are the earbuds. Okay. That looks pretty bad though. Okay. It's made out of plastic, and it's really light. Right. So it's supposed to be invisible and lightweight at the same time. And here is its charging case. Okay. So we're gonna put it here. Okay, fit snugly. And there's this nifty little graphics at the middle. This is the charging indicator. Okay, it's really lightweight. It's made of plastic. Here's the charging port, and what else do we got? Okay, it comes with a manual right here, but it's written in Chinese though. So, but yeah, there are some English instructions here that you can use for reference if the need arises. And here it is, yes, the MD538 wireless headset 5.3 hidden sleep headset sports in-ear earphones with an IPX5 rating. With an IPX5 rating, it should mean that it's waterproof and dustproof as well. Okay, looking at this, it has an LED digital display right here. Okay, looks pretty nice. And in a short while, we're going to put this in our ear and see if it fits snugly. And I'm going to tell you its sound quality as well. Okay, let's see here what its Bluetooth name is. I want to tell you guys, I did a little research, and apparently this Bluetooth headset doesn't have an app where you can customize it. But regardless, let's see what its name is, and we're going to connect our phone to it. Okay, so And here it is. I think this is it. The MD. Okay, let's connect our phone here. It's connected. As you can see, it has a default battery life of 70%. Well, as far as this unit goes, I'm not quite sure if it will be the same to the unit that you're gonna buy, but yeah, as you can see, it has a default battery life of 70% as far as this unit that we bought goes. Okay, so I've got the MD538 Bluetooth earbuds in my hands, and I'm going to put them in my ear and see if they snugly fit. Okay, they fit snugly in my ear, surprisingly. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to play a little music, and of course you wouldn't be able to hear it, but you may take my word for it. Whatever judgment I am going to pass to this pair of relatively cheap Bluetooth speakers. So let's play my favorite Married Across by Ghost. Start to increase the volume a little bit. It's not really that impressive or as what you might expect from those expensive in-ear Bluetooth earbuds that are out in the market today, but as far as this sound goes, it's pretty decent, okay, for its price. So I want to thank you all for joining us again here in another episode of Ronja Vlogs, and hopefully within the next few weeks or days we will be featuring some brand new smartphones that are going to be out in the market just in time for Christmas. So again, thank you, and this has been your Kuya Ronald, and I will see you in my next video and in my next vlog. You'll take care now, and God bless. Bye.